Cracker. Shoe nice. Look who's in here. It's Cracker. He hasn't been around. Dude, where have you been? Pfft. Right. Thank you. Oh my. No, no, no. Not right now. That's your geek out. Well, who's gonna geek out when there's no geek outs? Well, left. Really so gross. Hee-hoo. That's what you do. No, I'm not ready to talk to someone yet. I'm not ready. See? I said it was different. No. It is not National Bubblegum Day. Y'all are making that up. Y'all are saying that I don't have any money? Cool. Yeah, he's my BFF. Duh. It is not National Bubblegum Day. Somebody fact check that right now. Cracker does got money. Cracker got money. Actually, I don't know you. I don't know you, actually. No money for you since I burp. Oh, you are so lovely. What is happening right now? Tacos or pizza? Ooh. If I like had to live without one, like, is that or is which one's better than the other? Because that's a very different question. Somebody please fact check if it's National Bubblegum Day. I need somebody. I do, but that was not Kimber. That's not my name. If you had to pick one for dinner. Oh, well, I just had pizza tonight. So I guess I'll pick pizza. No, so I'll pick tacos. Oh, fuck. You could have. Guys, is it really? Hold on. Okay. Everyone follow Shoe Nice 22. He is a legend. I'm telling you the truth. Yes, we know the truth. I know the truth now. Guys, I didn't really want to do bubblegum. But look at that. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Could you imagine a bubble with 5 pieces of bubblegum? If you like tacos, look at the recipe I posted. No thanks. Why would I do that? I'm just gonna take my fucking lazy ass to Taco Bell anyway. Miss Marty, I love you. Did you know that it is National Bubblegum Day? I love you. Thank you for the follow. So nice. Marty's here. I guess I have to chew bubblegum. Just for a little bit. I'm not doing it all night. Wow, we got a shoe crew reunion in here. Minus Shoe Shark. Shoe Shark, are you really wheezy? It is 8:30. You are not Shoe Crew. You've never been Shoe Crew. We made our own Discord without you. You are not. You don't have a Kimmy badge. Who? Who's not live? Oh, I don't fuck with that. I don't fuck with him. Heyo. I'm digging the Fiend shirt. Thank you. It's a hoodie, but you know, it's good. He's around here somewhere. He's over there. This was like the OG one when it first came out. It's got the hurt heel. Wyndham. Yes. Rest in peace for life, legend. Pour one out for the homie. Oh, yeah. Let's see. He was in something I saw. I forget. Woohoo! Who did that? Eric 2.0. Thank you. Sorry, I'm too tall for this thing. I'll just kind of do the splits. Jimmy Jola. I think you meant to say Kimmy Cola. Is it for real, Izzy? Y'all are on one tonight. What the hell? Thank you guys so much. You have a good night, Shu. Did you drop into H3 today? During their Friday live? Did they see you? Did they say hi? Ooh, yes! We're gonna get you on that show, man. Not overbearing. Yeah, don't be overbearing. You're doing good. You're gonna squash the beef and then you're gonna eat the beef. The raw beef. Oh my goodness. Yep. I am not watching SmackDown right now, but I'm gonna watch it when I get off of here. Thank you. Okay. I think I can do it now. What is a hyper cup girl? Actually, let's talk about Vincey Poo. Oh, Vince McMahon. What's good? Oh, I can't hear you. Oh, you can hear me? What's that, a pregnancy test? Oh, shit, my volume. Whoops. I thought her volume was messed up. It was mine. Cool. And what? What? Okay, let's put it in reverse. What did you say? I have seen Hypercup Girl, Aurora Sky, and Psy ASMR Great Bubbles. Okay, I see what you're saying now. So, I don't really do the whole bubble gum thing. I'm here. Hello? Okay. Cool, man. So I just like burp on here, but one time somebody was like, can you... Oh. I was looking up things. Thank you, Emmanuel. I love that. One day I was Googling how to, like, what was the best, what makes you burp the most? And chewing gum or sucking on like hard candy was one of them. So I bought a pack of gum and I was just like, I never thought of it before, just try it out, but it didn't really, for me anyway. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it does, I'm not noticing. Cool, man, everybody loves something I do. It's just the name of the game. But I just mainly burp and talk about wrestling. Nice. Well, thank you. What is Miss Marty doing for the weekend? Can you believe I saw the sour warhead pickle? They had so many different pickles. I was like, what? I feel like I just saw this before. There was a bunch of them. There was like 20 different pickles. I was like, ooh, the sour warhead one looks cool though. You gave me likes? Yeah, man. I would have loved to try it, but actually, sweet. Hell yeah. Actually, there are ingredients in America that are not legal in the UK, so everything tasted really weird over there. Like if it was a soda or a candy or just, and then the food just sucks. Will you save this live on YouTube? I don't know. Maybe. Will I go live on YouTube? I don't know. If I got something to say that I can't say on here, then maybe. Not many people watch me when I go live over there. You will send me a like. You can keep your like. World's loudest burp. Hey! I'm pretty sure you've already liked my live anyway, so. Oh, hey there. What's up? Shit, we got Frankie D's. Thanks, Miss Marty. What's up, Frankie D's? What have you been up to, bro? On the channel you watch me? What channel? On my YouTube channel? I don't know everyone's name over there. If you ask, I can't, like, unless you're the same person that you hear, I don't know. Sorry, guys. I don't have a memory like that. What's up, Lou? Nah. Yeah, I definitely am. That's cool. That's cool. So you're gonna have a new cat. You're gonna have... Wait. You already said it gets along with Gypsy, so it's fine, right? It'd be so cool to have a dog and a cat that got along. I don't know. Instead of just, like, fighting each other all the time. Pissing each other off. Oh, right, yeah. I feel you there, girl. I'm allergic to cats, too. We talked about this before. cute. Wait. What is Telegram burp channel? What does that mean? Ah. Turn shit up. That's what's up. Thanks for that. Thanks, Frankie D's. Frankie D's. That's like sounds like a name of a restaurant or something. I don't know. You should hop on that. You should go bankrupt and start a restaurant and not make profit for the next 6 years and call it Frankie D's. Maybe 10 years. Restaurants suck. You know her? Ah! I thought she was a fake person for a long time. I don't know why. She was messaging me on Instagram and I was just kind of ignoring it. It wasn't my fault. Anyway, one day she hit me up again and I was like, oh my God, you're a real person. And I felt so bad. She's like, yeah, I'm a real person. I was like, well, where's your TikTok? She said, my first one got banned. And I said, no way. And I said, you should make another one. She is. And she's almost at 1,000 followers. So thank you, Luciano.
Hi,
Oi.
how are you? Where are you from?
I'm from Virginia. Where are you from?
Egypt.
Oh, Egypt. What time is it over there?
I need one lion.
What?
One lion.
1 a.m.?
Girls
Lion.
battle with.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Miss Marty, why?
I need money.
You need money.
Can you give me a gift?
Why do you need money?
Because I need to travel.
Don't lie to me.
لا مش كداب، أنا بتكلم
Do
معاك
you
بكل
need
صراحة.
do you need alcohol?
Give me one lion.
You need a lion. I don't think they're
Lion or plan or dog. Any gift.
My light just came on by itself.
Any gift.
You want a lion gift.
Any gift.
It's still pending after the Carpinos. That is insane.
I'll follow you.
Thanks, dude. My Instagram's Kimmy Cola.
After the live, I will follow you on Instagram.
Oh. Thanks, dude. I was talking to Luciano.
Nice to meet you.
Did you know it's National Bubblegum Day? Said he needed money. Kimmy Cola is my Insta. No, Steve, I don't. What's up, Poopinator? Dude, how can you have that name on here? That's crazy. It's dope. Poopinator. I'm trying to get your thing to pop up. I'm just burping on people right now. What have you been up to, bro? Miss you, dude. Thanks for the tiny. The long burp girl. The long purple girl. Can you guys hear that? He's crazy. What's up, Xtina? Yo! Everyone's here tonight. And I will continue being nice to you, buddy. Yes, baby. I know, right? It's like, here we all are. He was in here with Marty and I. No. This is Bray Wyatt, the Fiend. Rest in peace. He's a wrestler. Thank you, Poopinator. That's what's up. Okay. Luciano? Or is it Luciano? Vince McMahon? You're talking about Vince McMahon? Yes, he is. We call him Vincey Poo. We call him Vincey Poo around here. That's my nickname for him. I read every page of those court documents, and that shit is fire, dude. That is some next level drama. Holy shit, it's a good read. You guys need to go fucking find it. All 67 pages. Oh man, Xtina, do you know about that? Oh man, though, like, to be real though, I feel so bad for that case and everything. What's up, man? How are you?
I'm good, my sister.
Thank you, Betty. What's your name?
Oh shit, Junior.
Junior.
So where you from, my sister?
America, Virginia.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm from Fiji.
Fiji. Yeah.
You know,
Xtina, it's gonna be crazy because a lot of other people are gonna come forward. I have a feeling.
Which time?
So what are you doing at Fiji?
I'm just cleaning up around the house.
What time is it? Is it morning?
1:51 p.m. in the afternoon.
Oh, cool. Yeah, it's like 8. It's like 8 p.m. over here. Those court documents are definitely a good read, though. And there's a lot of compelling evidence. It's not gonna be good. WWE, I feel like they're gonna sweep that whole path. Even Triple H. That's just my feelings on it. Like, there's no way. There's no way. I mean, everybody's already dropped out. Stephanie McMahon. Now The Rock's doing this thing. I don't know. It's just so crazy to think about. And you know what I think is all going to happen? Cody Rhodes is just going to eventually, over time, he's just going to own the whole company. He's going to make some moves. Or it's just going to burn to the ground. I don't know. Because Netflix, they have that contract with them now for WWE Monday Night Raw. So they're starting that next year. I'm waiting for them to drop them. They'll be like, no, we don't want that. Mm. What are you doing this weekend, Xtina? I can't believe you knew about that WWE drama. That's like my current like soap opera. I can't wait to tune in to see what happens next. And you know what? I do know what's going to happen. He's going to claim that, all this stuff's going to happen to him or whatever, but in the end, like, he's going to claim that he is, like, mentally unstable, too old, or whatever the hell you want to say, to be in prison or whatever.
Sandra.
I don't care. Yes, he is, Frankie D. You are right about that. They let him go right before the Royal Rumble, and Pat McAfee was there. He was commentating, and they called his ass up when Brock Lesnar was supposed to come out, and he had no idea what was happening. What's up, Willie? Will? Miss Marty, it's a lot. It's actually it's like it's too deep and inappropriate to talk about on here, but it's really, really bad. It's a lot of people are involved. Tom Laurinaitis is the most shocking one, probably because he's married to the Bella twins' mom, and I think they got married in like 2019, and that stuff or 2016 or 2019, somewhere in between 2016 and 2019, and that stuff started happening in 2020. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. Thank you. Marty, you got the title gifted for my roses. Yay! We have purple roses now. Oh, good night. Good night. Good day. Or he hung up. That was rude.